Washington Heights was good as the boy Sel. Here we are in the snow, baby. My man Shelby over here, the super. Wish my super did that. See? Walking on tall St. Nick on 189. How you doing, my brother?
Alright.
Alright. Yeah. What's good, my people? It's your boy Sel giving you another one. Hey, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, S-E-L-T. Like I promised, I told y'all I was going to give you a video, St. Nick. So I'm walking up to St. Nick. I'm in 189, between St. Nick and Wadsworth. So now I'm walking up 189, so I can give you guys a little video. Let y'all see how St. Nick is. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like it's raining right now too. But here we go, my people. Give a little video. Here goes St. Nick. Let's see a nice shorty. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Here's St. Nicholas right here. Y'all can see right here. St. Nicholas here. 190 up there. Shout out to my man Alemán. I'm saying all the fellas, Reggie Miller. You got St. Nicholas right here. Let y'all see how it is. Seeing that much cars on the avenue. There's 189. Back there with 189 OEN. Shout out to OEN. I know they're 190. 191st Panther rocking them. Shout out to everybody. And then let me see. We can see the bridge apartments. It's dark on that way. Shout out to my man Steezel from the bridge. You know what I'm saying? And this is my block right here. Sergeant Merlin. Sergeant Merlin was from, rest in peace. And here's my block 189. Where New Heights Apparel NYC was born. And the entrepreneur from Washington Heights, Sel. Yes. Giving you another one, people. Yeah. I give him a go acting out. Car coming through. Oh. That one made before. So I recording a little bit. Y'all can see. It's the St. Nick Avenue right here. Hardly no cars, baby. This snow is crazy. So I came down to move the snow in my car. They got a car coming down. So now it's time to do my thing. Yo. Dile a la gente de Washington Heights cómo está esto para YouTube aquí.
La gente que se quede en su casa, en verdad.
Ahí está mi gente.
Esto es para tigre hasta aquí afuera.
Sí, es verdad. Prende la luz, hermanito.
Chocolatico caliente.
¿Entiendes?
Y nos vemos el martes o el miércoles.
Ahí cojan lo del hombre, ahí cojan consejos del hombre. Prende la luz, primo. Okay. La pase bien. Ahí están mi gente. No salgan si no tienen que salir. Look right there, the shovel is real, baby. But you know, that's what we do in New York, man. We real in New York, baby. They don't stop us. Yeah, man. They don't stop us. My people, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, S-E-L-T. Hit the like and subscribe. Because a lot of y'all watching, but they ain't subscribing. So make sure, you know what I'm saying? Y'all subscribe so I can give you this nice winter cold content. You already know, my people. It's the boy Sel. There, look at the snow, boy. Lord have mercy. I gotta take all that off. Woo. Well, it's time to get busy. See you in the next one, my people.